that what does accountability look like on your side. And this is really important, especially if you're the brand owner or founder, business owner in this case, and you would ask someone who you would be hiring. Accountability can look in very many different ways. Accountability can look like these are the steps and processes that we're following in order to make sure that your account is still active, that we are doing these optimizations on our end, that we're making sure that account is in good standing, and also we can grow you towards profitability or towards scalability. That is our accountability metric. Now, if you believe that an accountability metric should also be, hey, can you go into more detail and find out this XYZ? That might be an accountability metric, but might not be anymore in the scope. So this is why I'm saying that most of the time what is really good is knowing exactly what the scope is, and then you're asking things that are within scope. Most of the time it's going to be scope creep. And simply is just because you want to do so many things for your business, and just because you're seeing all these flashy things and everyone is talking about it. And fun fact, usually whenever everyone is talking about it and they are not able to give you clear example, clear details, how exactly they applied it and how exactly it worked, usually it's going to be just all these shiny objects that we should try this too, and you're throwing that into the provider and letting them deal with it. So when it comes down to accountability, just make sure that you are aware of what is their accountability system, because if they are accountable to you the way how they said that they would be, and you are taking like, that's for granted, actually what you're doing is you are setting different expectations for accountability, and both you and the service provider are just not going to be in sync anymore.